Okay, this is my review, YouTube, of the Phoenix high definition headphones. These happen to be in blue. They also come in other colors. Available on Amazon. Super nice. Comes with the charger as well as this waterproof armband protector for my phone. All neoprene, really nice. Certainly something you want to get. There's your multiple use, different earpieces to fit you, charging cable, instruction guide. Really nice high definition sound, like I said before. Really holds the charge a long time. Certainly order yours today.